That's interesting. I wasn't thinking of the church as an anarchy, but it kind of is. It kind of is. It's kind of, it has a direction, but we're kind of told to do our own thing, like in general life. Vote how you want, whatever. Vote according to how your heart says. That's what they say a lot. I mean, everybody knows the church is like mostly Republican, but I feel like their official statement is do what you want. Do what you think is best. Everyone knows what the church culture says, but the official statements say things like, develop your own testimony of Jesus Christ. Love your neighbors. Try not to judge people. You know, they're saying the stuff officially, and I think that is important because people are going to fail, but the official stance is the Jesus stuff, right? That's what we're aiming for. The person even saying it might fail too, but they're still aiming for that. I think that's pretty good. But I think that's kind of an anarchy too, because we're all given our agency to choose. It's supposed to be that way with the agency, and like, I don't know. It feels like organized anarchy because we're trying to direct our resources for a cause. It's smart to do that. Like, that's just a normally smart thing to do. And so we need some form of organization. I don't know. The way it's set up seems pretty good, and it seems pretty easy. Is it easily taken advantage of? Is it easily corruptible? I don't know. We vote for almost everything. Maybe the vote needs to matter again. I don't know. And I think we should be transparent with like all the dealings. We need to all know what's going on in the church business stuff. I think if that was there, I think if transparency is there, then that is a really close thing to like organized anarchy. That might be a good situation.